Hey there, I just wanted to give you a quick demo just to show you how this system works. This is just kind of the back end of our system that essentially is a dashboard. It shows you your opportunities, your leads, the value of those leads, and just kind of going through the process. So this is just an example account we have for one of our clients. And so basically you go to the client's website, you fill out the form. Once you fill out the form and hit submit, the second step is to ask them to schedule their first visit, right? So I want them to pick a date and time. They click on this, put in their name, email, information, and then what's going to happen is you're going to trigger a couple of things. First of all, they're going to be added as a lead once they fill out that form. Once they fill out the form and book a time, then they're going to move into their first session is scheduled. Now, what's going to happen is this is going to trigger some communication to go out. We have auto text, auto email, we can do ringless voicemail drop and things like that. So there's a lot of different opportunities to create conversation. I think the most important thing with this application is that it automates the outbound so that you're only handling the inbound information. So in other words, you're texting the person saying, hey, thanks for signing up. By the way, have you gone ahead and scheduled your first class? If not, click this link. You can book your first class. And then maybe following up with hey, tell me a little bit more about your goals, and then start that conversation. And again, you're doing this. This is being done automatically. You're not having to think, oh, I should text this person. I need to follow up with that person. You don't have to be organized. All you have to do is make sure that you have an entry point like this form, and they go into this entry point, and then they're into this system, and they're going into this automated communication, and they're getting some of these campaigns like the autoresponder, and they're getting welcome series, appointment reminders, and appointment reschedule. So I'll show you this one last thing real quick. Basically, once the appointment, so everything that you would do to follow up with a lead and book them is done automatically. In fact, Subu CrossFit doesn't follow up with any of their leads anymore at all, which is crazy to me. But they don't, and they've had great results. And I think it just speaks to the fact that the hardest thing about chasing clients is consistently following up with them and moving them to the next step as quickly as possible before they start to think, oh, maybe I should start running or jogging or getting in shape in some way before I go and do this trial at the gym, before I go and try whatever it is. So today's the day. Let's say it's October 2nd and it's 7:30 p.m. You're going to get a notification and say, hey, did Nancy show up? And you go, well, yeah, she did. She showed up, and yeah, she did. So we got it. She's confirmed. And if that's the case, then it's good. Nothing happens. But if they need to reschedule, you can put them in there. You can also put them in as a no-show. And if you want to mark them as a no-show, what's going to happen is it's going to trigger the campaign to start doing an appointment reschedule. So basically, you have to do one thing to run this machine, and that is mark them present or mark them as a no-show or some type of reschedule. And once you do that, it'll create a new follow-up so that it will basically take people through a process of you've become a lead and said you want to try, give us a try. Then the next step is booking that first visit, and then the third step is showing up for that visit. And so if we can automate all that, then the only thing you have to do is mark them present or not present. And essentially, if they're not present, it'll follow up with them more to try to reschedule them. And this all is done in the background automatically without you having to spend a lot of time and effort going through it. So it frees up your time to work with your own clients more, to maybe do more personal training, spend more time with your family, spend more time on your health. Everybody that we work with has a hard time going and working out themselves. So if you'd like to check this out, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to show you a little bit more in depth how this works and what it looks like. And yeah, we'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.